Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here with another tutorial in which I'm going to tell you that what are prefabs and how do we create them and use them in our game. So prefabs are basically pre-configured objects that can be reused as many times as you want in your project, and they can be created whenever you want. So let's get started. Practically, let's say we are creating a cube over here and we are resetting its value to default. Okay, so this is a cube, and to make it a little different, let's create a material and set its color to red and assign this material to this cube. So you can see that this cube is now red and it is a customized shape or a customized object. And let's say you have to create it so many times in your game. So to create that scenario, let's just create a button and set its width and height. And let's name the button as spawn. Okay, so here we go. Here we have this button, and let's just set it to the upper right corner. Okay, so it's here in the upper left corner, and we're good to go. Now the criteria is that whenever we are going to click on spawn, there must be this object created, and for that, okay, so before that, I'm going to tell you that how can we convert this conventional cube into a prefab. You simply need to drag it down into the assets folder, and now you can see its color is changed from white to blue, which indicates that it is a prefab. It is not a normal object, it is a prefab object, and we can delete it also from here. From here, it's deleted, but you can see that it still exists in the project window. So whenever the prefabs are spawned, they are actually spawned from the project window. And how it happens through the script. Now let's create that. Now let's name it as spawn prefab. Okay, here we go. Here we have the script, and now let's create a public method, public void spawn prefab, or just simply name it as spawn because we have the class name as spawn prefab. And here is the line of code that actually creates the prefab, and that is the instantiate method. So it is an overloaded method. You can simply just pass the object that you want to instantiate, or you can also specify the transform in it. So right now we are just going to pass the object. So let's create a public reference, public game object, and name it as box. And let's pass this box as a parameter in the instantiate method. So we are done and we're good to go. On this button, we are going to drag this object scripts and call the method that we just created, that is spawn. Now let's see that what happens when we hit the play button. Okay, okay. So you can see that here is no object created. The reason being that scripts, in the script spawn prefab, we didn't pass that prefab. So you have to drag and drop this prefab in the inspector. Now we have it in here. And now when we are going to click the spawn button, it will be created. See, the object is created. The other thing that you can do with the prefab is that you can specify the position. So right now, wherever we have created the prefab, it is spawning at the same location. You can also specify the position by yourself. That is new vector 3 and Let's just give it 5, comma 3, comma 2. Okay, so this is a random position that I've assigned, and you can also uh, assign a new rotation angle. So new quaternion and make it as 20, comma 20, comma 40, comma 30. Okay, so I have just randomly assigned an angle to it. And now when we are going to hit the spawn button, let's see what happens. See, it is created at a specific angle that we specified, and the location is also changed. So this is all about the prefabs. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to mention it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, and share the video.